Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. Welcome back. If you've been here before, I'm Beautiful Love Forever, aka Taste. I'm going to get into the spotlight look. I'm going to use my Juvia's Place Concealer in 16 and my One Size setting powder to set it. Also, if you're watching and you're not subscribed, please make sure you subscribe. I really appreciate that because I'm really trying to grow my channel. Make sure you hit the bell and you click all so you'll be alerted of all my uploads. I upload a new short on Monday and a new video on Friday. Now I'm going to take the Morphe James Charles palette and I'm just going to take a mixture of those two blues and I'm just going to put that on the outer part and the inner part of my eyes. Now I'm going to take that orangey red shade and blend out that first shade that I put down. Now I'm going to use the Car Beauty Limitless Beauty Eyeshadow Palette. I'm going to take that shimmer green shade and put that right in the center of my eyes. Next, I'm going to use my Maven Beauty Liquid Eyeliner. Now I'm going to use my House of Lashes eyelash glue and my Ioni lashes in the style Africa. Okay, to make sure there's no gap showing where I put my lashes, I'm going to use my Sephora eye pencil and my Essence waterproof mascara. Moving on to the face, I already moisturized. Now I'm going to use my Everyday Humans Rose from Above Mineral Sunscreen. Now I'm using the Touch and Soul No Pore Blem Primer. This is the first time I'm using this, even though it's been out a while. So it has a gel-like formula. It shrinks your pores, which is always good, so I would recommend it if you have larger pores. And it kept my makeup pretty good all day. Now I'm going to use my LA Girl Pro Concealer Orange Corrector to correct the dark spots on my face and neck. Next, I'm using Fenty Beauty Soft Matte Longwear Foundation in the shade 425. Now for some more coverage, I'm using my e.l.f. Camo Concealer in Deep Chestnut. Now I'm just going to put this all the places where I put my orange corrector. highlight, I'm going to use my Urban Decay Naked Skin Concealer in medium dark warm. I'm just going to put this all the places where the light would naturally hit my face. While that's sitting, I'm going to use my Juvia's Place Bronzer Palette in Dark. I'm going to use the top shade to contour my nose and go around my jawline since it's lighter, and the other shade to bronze the other parts of my face. For my all over face powder, I'm using my Fenty Beauty Soft Matte Powder Foundation in 440. Next, I'm going to use the Juvia's Place Saharian Blush Volume 1 palette. I'm going to take that pink shade for my blush, and I'm going to use the other shade for my highlight. For lips, I'm going to use my Juvia's Place Lip Liner in Brownie, and I'm going to use my Santee Liquid Lipstick. I don't know the name of it because it rubbed off on the tube, but it's like a light pinky nude color. To set my face, I'm using my Cover FX setting spray. And that is it for this makeup look. I hope you all enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe. If you're not subscribed, make sure you hit the bell. Make sure you click all so you'll be alerted of all my uploads. Comment, like, share. I would love to hear from you all. Everything that I use will be listed in the description box, as well as all my social media handles. I upload a new short every Monday and a new video every Friday. So I'll see you on the next one. Make sure you take care of yourselves. Thank you for watching, y'all. Bye.